Oh, front.
It's very small. So you know that.
Well, gum, candy. Was this in your bucket?
That's funny.
But I remember you needed gum and stuff. So, but I didn't get anything else like any really cool things. Sounds good.
Ooh. Are you sure this wasn't in your bucket or in your room?
Mm-hmm.
It was?
No, it wasn't.
Oh. Okay.
I was thinking about it. I was like, oh man, I need to feel it more.
Oh, it's such a nice wrapping paper.
But then I looked at it and I was like, oh, never mind. Because everything was like Picking or Disney or. I was like, probably not good anyway. I was also looking in the closet. I was like, man, what can I put in here?
I knew you would. Oh, a crocodile shirt.
Oh, it's a nice one!
Oh, this is the one I saw at Hot Topic too. I like it.
No, I like mine better.
Huh?
I like mine better.
Well, you and I are different.
I was looking for like size for yours,
Ooh. What?
Let me see!
but.
Yeah!
I was like, that's just gonna be perfect for her.
How you
How
doing?
you doing?
I was looking at it, I was like, I'm gonna. I asked JoJo's opinion first, and she was like, well,
It's funny
the other
though.
friend shirt would be probably be better. But I was like, I think this would be best for her.
I already, I bought a friend shirt recently from Hot Topic.
Oh yeah.
So hopefully it was gonna be pretty much.
A speaker!
A speaker!
What? The same one I bought?
See, we already bought it beforehand though.
Oh, okay. It's already open. It has no plastic seal.
Oh, yeah, that was the ones that didn't have seal.
What? Let me see. Whoa. This one's nice. You guys lied to me?
Of course we did.
Oh,
Oh, actually.
that's really nice.
Yeah. And so we have another option for you too.
What other
Right.
option?
BRB.
BRB.
What?
This
What?
actually looks really nice on you, Joey.
Really?
Yeah. We
Nah.
were scared that like it might not look nice or like it might not fit or something like that, and so we got like a second option too.
Is that why Kevin's broke?
He and me.
Are they both of you? What?
This is mostly him.
So one of them is for Brittany.
Which one?
Whichever one you don't choose.
Yeah.
Shut the front door.
Isn't it nice?
Try that on. Let's see. But I think that's more closer to what you were looking at, right?
Yeah. No?
Let me see.
I like the
Both of-
other one.
yeah. It's just because it's more. I don't know. It's big.
Is it smaller? This one's smaller on my face?
Yeah. I don't know.
It's just the shape is weird compared to that. I like that one.
That one's more you. I
This
think.
That
one?
one's nicer.
Then this one?
Okay,
For some
done
reason, I
for
like
Christmas.
this one.
Yay!
Yay! Thank you! I don't know.
Go, why don't you go to,
This
go
Merry
is so
Christmas.
light.
to the bathroom?
Well, I don't have glasses on.